everyone.
My name is Sabita Putawia and it's my partner.
Karina Setiaki Nur Anisha. We are from Communicative English KP D3.
So today we will review the movie that we watched, and it's called The Apple Society, directed by Peter Weir, and it released at 1989. So The Apple Society tells a story of an English teacher who inspired his students at an elite all-boys boarding school to think more independently and live life with passion through portrait. And the movie belongs to the drama and coming of age genre, and it also got recognition, including winning the Academy Award for Best Original Screenplay, and it was nominated for Best Picture, Best Director, and Best Character, and Best Actor. Sorry.
The story focuses on a clash between freedom and strict rules in education. Mr. Keating, or also known as Mr. K, uses universally teaching methods that slowly change how the students see life and themselves. The pacing of the movie is calm at the beginning, but it becomes more emotional as the story goes on. The plot develops smoothly and leads to a serious and tragic moment near the end. So one of the most memorable scenes is the final classroom scene when the students stand on their decks and say, "Oh, Captain, my Captain."
Oh, Captain, my Captain.
This scene shows respect, bravery, and resistance.
John Keating is shown as an inspiring and caring teacher. He also the type of man who is firm, and he does not trust too much himself, but strongly influence his student. So there's another character. Also, there's another character as his student named Neil Perry. Is a student who loves acting but struggles because of his father's strict rules. His character shows the danger of not being able to choose your own life, and also he have a roommate named Neil Anderson. Started as a shy and quiet student, but he also slowly becomes more confident and brave. Another character from this movie named Robin Williams gives a strong and emotional performance as Mr. Keating. The young actor also performed well and made the character feel real and relatable.
Peter Weir's direction successfully shows the contrast between freedom and strict authority. The cinematography uses like calm colors and classic settings to reflect the rigid school environment. And then, the camera work is simple but also effective, focusing more on their emotion rather than their visual effect.
The music in this movie was composed by Maurice Gier, and the soundtrack is very soft but also very emotional, and it really helps with the mood without being distracting while we're watching the movie. The sound effects are very simple and realistic, such as classroom sounds and footsteps. They make the movie feel more natural and believable to watch. Other than emotional, the background music of this movie is also subtle. It supports the scene with overplaying the dialogue and the use of silence in this movie. It's some scene also strengthens the emotional tension and reflection in the scene that we watch.
So the main themes of this movie are freedom of thought, individuality, and also obedience to authority. My personal reflection while watching this film is I feel that it reminds me how often students are asked to be silent instead of being encouraged to think.
Also, in my opinion, The Apple Society is really touching and inspiring movie for me. I like the strong message and the emotional story behind it. Also, the acting of every character in it is very, very good for me, and I really like it. So I really enjoy it actually, and it's really good. However, I think some character could have been developed more deeply about the character, and I would recommend this movie to student, teacher, and also anyone who enjoys emotional and meaningful films like The Society.
As for me personally, I found this movie very meaningful and emotionally touching my heart, melting my heart so much. It encourages viewers to reflect on their own dreams and choices. However, some scenes may feel slow for modern audience like us, we are Gen Z, who prefer fast-paced movie. Despite that, I highly recommend this film to students, educators, and anyone interested in meaningful stories who is like can melting your heart. You should watch this film, Dead Post Society films.
About the rating, we like to give you a rating for our experience watching it. How about you first?
9 out of 10.
9 of 10. As for me, I would like to give it like 8.5 per 10 because it's really good, but maybe it's kind of boring for us, for like Gen Z who like maybe something like
Too slow.
yeah, something like yeah, you know.
In conclusion, Dead Post Society is a powerful and timeless film. It delivers strong message about courage, freedom, and self-expression. Like before, I usually rating this film is 9 out of 10. Yeah, kind of boring. How about you?
That is good. As for me, despite this movie is kind of boring for us, but this movie is a coming of age drama that uses poetry and a charismatic teacher to explore freedom, identity, and the cost of conformity. That emotionally climax and iconic final image make it lasting. So after watching this, it really make me really think this is really worth it to watch.
Worth it but boring.
Yeah. But I kind of like it, so I give it like 8.5 for that. You must watch it. That's all for us.
Thank you for listening us and goodbye. See you.